Austin is a vibrant, growing city filled with energy, from lively neighborhoods and busy streets to construction projects and community events. While that activity adds character, it can also bring unwanted noise into your home. If traffic sounds, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity are interrupting your peace and quiet, upgrading to vinyl windows can make a noticeable difference. Vinyl windows are known for energy efficiency and durability, but they also offer impressive sound-reducing benefits. For Austin homeowners seeking a calmer indoor environment, they provide a practical and long-term solution. Why noise travels through windows? Windows are one of the most common entry points for outside noise. Older windows, especially single-pane models or units with worn seals, allow sound vibrations to pass through easily. Small gaps around frames, thin glass, and poor insulation all contribute to noise infiltration. In growing Austin neighborhoods where traffic and development continue to increase, reducing that sound transmission can significantly improve daily comfort. Multi-pane glass dampens sound. Modern vinyl windows typically feature double or triple pane glass. These multiple layers create insulating air spaces between panes that help disrupt sound waves before they enter your home. Each pane acts as a barrier, and the space between them reduces the vibration that carries noise indoors. Compared to single-pane windows, multi-pane vinyl windows can dramatically lower the amount of outside noise you hear. Laminated glass for enhanced sound control. For homeowners in particularly busy areas of Austin, laminated glass is an excellent option. Laminated glass includes a special interlayer bonded between two panes of glass. This interlayer absorbs sound vibrations, further reducing noise levels. It's especially effective at blocking higher frequency sounds such as sirens, traffic, and construction noise. When paired with vinyl frames, laminated glass creates a strong sound barrier that helps transform noisy surroundings into a quieter indoor retreat. Insulated vinyl frames make a difference. The frame material also plays a role in noise reduction. Vinyl is naturally more insulating than older aluminum frames, which can conduct both heat and sound more easily. Vinyl frames are constructed with multi-chambered designs that trap air within the frame itself. This added insulation helps dampen vibrations and reduce the transfer of sound from outside to inside. In Austin's varied climate, this also contributes to better energy performance. Tight seals prevent sound leaks. Even the best glass won't perform well if there are gaps around the window. Modern vinyl windows are engineered with precision weather stripping and compression seals. When closed, they create a tight barrier that minimizes air infiltration, and with it, noise leakage. Professional installation ensures the window fits securely within the opening and that insulation is properly applied around the frame. Eliminating small air gaps can significantly reduce both drafts and unwanted sound. Ideal for bedrooms and home offices. Noise reduction is especially valuable in bedrooms facing busy streets, home offices used for remote work, living rooms near high traffic areas, homes close to schools or parks. Vinyl windows create a quieter atmosphere that supports better sleep, improved concentration, and more relaxing family time. Added benefits beyond noise reduction. In addition to sound control, vinyl windows provide energy efficiency for Austin's hot summers, resistance to warping and moisture, low maintenance with no need for painting, long-term durability. This combination of comfort and performance makes them a smart overall investment. A quieter home in a growing city. Austin's growth brings excitement, but it can also bring noise. Vinyl windows offer a practical solution for homeowners who want to enjoy the city while maintaining peace indoors. With multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and tight seals, vinyl windows significantly reduce outdoor noise and create a more comfortable living space. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter, more relaxing home in Austin, upgrading to vinyl windows is a smart and lasting improvement.